feeling myself. I'm 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 feeling my.
What is up, you guys? Today I'm doing an eyebrow routine. So let's get started. I use Nair on my eyebrows. I use this one. It's the sensitive one. Let me just get it in focus. There you go. So I just do an underline, basically from the beginning to the end, and anywhere under this line is where we're gonna put Nair. Now for the same on this side. Okay, so now the next step is take the Nair, whack it on those brows, girl. It says on here 5 to 6 minutes. Make sure you do a patch test. People, make sure you do a patch test. So I need some lip balm. Okay, now you leave it to burn. So now we just wait. Hello my angels, we are in my bathroom, welcome. When I wipe these eyebrows off, they'll literally be do you get me? Oh yeah, I need to calm down, seriously. Let's go check it out. And we're back. Cotton pad, micellar water. This one's by Nivea. I don't usually use this one, but I ran out of my garnier, so I had no choice. Okay, then use a different cotton pad for the other eyebrow because I don't know, just like okay, it's done. My eyes always water when I put my eyebrows. I can't help it. Don't judge me. Okay guys, so now we've plucked our freshly naired brow. We're gonna trim. We're gonna do pomade. Okay. This is the Paradise Pomade Exotic by L'Oreal Paris in the shade Ebony, which is 106. This is my dog. He's a big fluff ball. Look at it. Oh, look. Don't copy me, really. Just, yeah. Now this is just basically where you touch up, so if you need to go back in and trim little bits, feel free. Okay, now brow gel. This is how I wax, pluck, this is how I do everything, this is how I do everything, okay? So, thanks for watching, have a lovely day.